Let's begin the drafting process, and for that purpose I'm going to go on the left hand side of the screen and select the Start button. Then I will select the Mechanical Design option, and under the Mechanical Design option I'm going to select the Drafting Workbench. CATIA brings up the new Drawing Creation dialog box in the right hand side corner of the screen and also gives me a selection of layouts to choose from. The first one on the left side is the empty sheet, so I can select this layout and project views manually on my sheet. As I go towards the right hand side, I see three options, and these three options have preset views in it. Next to the empty sheet, we have the all views option, so if I select this, I will get all views projected in my sheet, such as the top view, isometric view, front view, right view, so forth and so on. The one next to it has front, bottom and right views preset in it, and then there's the option to select the sheet with the front, top and left view. I'm going to select the all views option, and then I'm going to click on the modify button and then try to set some standards and then see what customization I can make to my sheet. If I select standards, I can choose from ANSI or ASME, ISO and GIS standards. So if you want to project the dimensions on your views in the imperial fashion, such as feet or inches, then you should select ANSI or ASME standards. If you want to project the dimension values in metric, then you should select ISO and GIS standards. I'm going to select the GIS standard for now, and under sheet style, if I drop down this list, I get the paper size for my drawing sheet. So if I select A0, the paper size is 841 times 1189 millimeters, and then I can select A1, and then the sheet size starts to get smaller as I go down this list. I'm going to select the A0 GIS and click OK, and then click OK one more time, and then CATIA will bring me in the drafting workbench, and then I can see all the views on my drawing sheet. If I zoom in a little bit on the views, the top section has two views, top view and isometric view. The middle section has left view, front view, right view and rear view, and the bottom section has the bottom view. So you can choose to start your drawing document in this fashion, or if I close this window and I'm not choosing to save it, there's another way to begin the drafting process. If I left click on the Start button and select the Mechanical Design one more time and the drafting option or the drafting workbench one more time, this time I can select the blank empty sheet. I'm just going to check that the standard of the sheet is as per my needs, and when everything's fine, the sheet size, standard format, I'm going to click OK. And now again CATIA brings me in the drafting workbench, and then I will select views to project on this sheet in a manual fashion.